Okay. All right. So partnership formation, everyone. How do we actually form a partnership? Okay. So to create a partnership, two or more persons interested in establishing a profit-making business agree to do so as partners. Obviously, they're looking to make a profit, right? Usually that's why people create businesses. The partnership agreement can be expressed orally or in writing. Let me say that again. So you can have a partnership agreement, everyone. Maybe a client walks in your office and they're talking about a partnership, and then you ask, or the attorney asks, was there a partnership agreement? Yeah, there was. Okay, so do you have it with you? Oh, no, we talked about it. And that is okay in the eyes of the law. They can be expressed orally or in writing. Okay, orally or in writing, or it can be implied by conduct. What does implied mean? You both want to go into business together. You both start filling out documents. You both start looking for a place. You both start looking at a lease. Both start putting in your income, your money to do it. There was never really, a writing or a real sit down one-on-one and start talking about it, but it can be implied. How? Well, you're implying you're interested in this, and so is your partner because you're both putting all of that into it. So the courts take that into consideration too. It can be implied by conduct to form a partnership. Okay, some people say, I never wanted to be involved in a partnership. Well, your conduct is showing otherwise. Well, there was never a writing, but your conduct is showing otherwise. So that can be done too, orally, in writing, or implied by conduct. What do you think the best one is there that will hold up in court? Probably the writing, right? Not everybody does that. At least they have other options. Okay, why do we have to have it in writing? To satisfy what? The statute of frauds. We talked about this in contract law. You guys are pretty well aware of what the statute of frauds is, right? If the partnership is to continue for over a year are the key words, the agreement must be evidenced by a writing. Okay, that's according to the statute of frauds. So, over a year. So 6 months, we're going to try it out. 8 months, don't like it, or done, right? Okay, well, we don't need a writing to prove that if something happens within that 8 months and then somebody ends up in court. But if it's going to be over a year, definitely want to get it in writing to satisfy the statute of frauds. Although implied by conduct also comes into effect